Cashie's toys are getting reviewed.
Hi, I'm Mommy, and this is Cashie. I know, I'm excited too. And we want to welcome you to Cashie's Toy Review. I'm excited. Today we're going to be talking about the KinderBot. Okay, KinderBot, I would like for you to tap dance, so I'm going to turn you on.
KinderBot booting up. Are you ready to code?
Yes, I'm ready to code, KinderBot.
Push any black button so we can play.
Okay, I'm going to press your code button.
Secret code. D. Dance. Let's tap dance.
Good job, KinderBot. This KinderBot was purchased from Target during the Christmas season. When we went back, they had absolutely zero. Can you say zero? They had zero. This is one of the hottest toys on the market. The KinderBot ran us about $49.99. Can you say hi, KinderBot?
KinderBot booting up. Are you ready to code?
Are you ready to code? I'm ready to code.
Push any black button so we can play.
Okay, KinderBot, we're almost ready to play. I'm going to tell them a little bit about you before we get started. So, when you unbox your KinderBot and you go underneath the box, there should be a handy little box with instructions.
Push any black button so we can play.
And if you open up that box, I know, I'm excited too. If you open up that box, it will have the directions here for you, Cashie. Are you excited? So this is the little box that came inside the KinderBox, and you have to open up the bottom flap in order to receive it. Okay, Cashie. I'm ready to code. Are you ready to code? Yeah, you know how to code the KinderBot. So I'm going to look at these directions. I want to do some of the really simple things for you guys. Okay, Cashie. So I want to make the KinderBot go in a circle. Can we make him go in a circle? So we're going to press his code button. And then we're going to press blue.
Push play.
Good job, Cashie. And then we're going to press, so actually, Cashie, let's
Use
code.
my arrow buttons.
Purple. Can you press purple? Good job. And then press blue.
Push the pink button.
I know, I'm excited. Hey, friends. Can you say hi, friends? Hi. Hi, friends. It's time for KinderBot to show us what he can do. Okay, KinderBot. Do your best. We have to turn KinderBot on.
KinderBot booting up. Whoa!
Wow. Jump on KinderBot. Over. Give me a 5.
Are you ready to code?
Can you help me code KinderBot? Okay, KinderBot. I know, I'm excited too. Okay, KinderBot, we're gonna code you. Are you ready, Cashie? So first, press the code button. We're gonna press code.
Secret codes.
And KinderBot, I want you to.
Arrow buttons to enter a secret code from my code book.
I will use your arrow buttons to enter a secret code from my code book. KinderBot, Cash and I want you to go in a circle. So we're gonna press green, purple, play.
Yes. Square. A square is shaped like a checkerboard. It has 4 equal sides.
Oops, I mean square. Okay, yeah.
2,
Okay, KinderBot.
3,
Wow.
4, 4.
Wow, KinderBot.
Coded.
KinderBot, Cash and I want you to go in a
so much with you.
Good job, Kinderbot.
Bye, friends. Thank you for tuning in to Cashie's Toy Review. Please like, share, and subscribe.